13 hospitals in Maryland now working together to help tackle the coronavirus, and a brand new antibody test will determine how many people in our state have been exposed to the virus. WJZ is live tonight. Kelsey Kushner with details on the new collaboration. Kelsey.
Yeah, Rick, well, that plan is to use blood to determine who has or has not had COVID-19 so they can better learn how it spreads. It's a new collaboration between the state and local hospitals, a new antibody study to determine how many people have been exposed to COVID-19 in Maryland. State health officials say they're working with 13 hospitals across the state, collecting leftover blood samples from 6,000 patients to test for antibodies.
The antibody testing tells us how many people, potentially what percent of the population has been exposed to the disease at any time during the last 6 months.
State health officials say right now there are still a lot of people in Maryland who have not been infected by coronavirus or don't know they're infected because they're asymptomatic. Researchers will look for protein antibodies made in response to COVID-19. It will not test for the virus itself. Dr. Steven Sellinger from MedStar Franklin Square Hospital says the data they collect will show how often a person is exposed to COVID-19 and how it can be spread by those who don't show symptoms.
Measuring antibodies within a population enables us to understand how often this asymptomatic spread might be occurring.
The plan consists of using leftover unused blood samples collected from the participating hospitals, from patients in emergency rooms who had their blood drawn. Dr. Sellinger says learning information about the transmission of COVID-19 is crucial to curbing transmission and to help fight it more effectively.
This is not just about taking care of the patients that come through our doors, but I think this is taking care of the population that we're responsible for in Maryland.
Now, as we mentioned, there will be 6,000 people who will be tested during that initial phase, but there is more testing that is expected to take place based on what those results are. Reporting live tonight, Kelsey Kushner for WJZ.